great to see you at circle time today. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job. Okay, let's say our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's sing our months. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo! Woo! Okay, it's time to count. Yesterday we counted slow. So I think today we should count as fast as we can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And today is number 12. Great job. Let's count one more time, super fast as we can. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great job, friends. Okay, it's the last day of the week, so we need to get our alligators ready. Ready? See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Not so quick, little chick. Chip, 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 chip. Not so soon, baboon. Ooh, 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 ooh. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time to play.